If your cat talks philosophy, you might be living in a Dali painting. Let's explore a world where the impossible is just another Tuesday. Imagine a planet where the rising mercury makes choo-choo trains float into the sky. And Charlie? Well, his chocolate never had a factory. It was all just a fan-driven illusion. Laugh. Picture this, a lollipop sundae on a road to nowhere. A road that doesn't exist because, well, existence itself is one big, bizarre comedy. Feeling hungry yet? Don't count on the carpet being made of cheesy pie. In this whimsical universe, soft toys rule the planets, and logic takes a back seat. Nothing makes sense, but that's the beauty of it. So, stay safe out there in your own slice of surrealism, folks. See you later, if later even exists. Okay, bye. And remember, sometimes it's okay to just shut up and enjoy the absurdity.